Happy Tuesday afternoon, mid-Missouri. We're tracking our next weather maker off to our west right now. We're still going to be calm ahead of this. In fact, the rain that's being pushed up along this low pressure system is likely going to die down before it ever makes its way to us, but that doesn't mean our rain chances are nil for the next few days. In fact, we're tracking the potential for another round of some showers and storms for tomorrow, and we're actually tracking two different instances where we could be seeing different levels and intensity of these storms. Now, the first round likely to push around in the early morning, 6 a.m. here. You can see really clipping a good portion of our northern counties, likely going to extend a little bit further south before it pushes off. Now, we'll have a decent calm period between the late morning into the early afternoon before our second round of storms pushes in. Now, this one is going to be more of a line of these storms. This is 12 p.m. on Future Track, going to be pushing through by 3 p.m. into a good portion of mid-Missouri, finally clearing out into the late evening. But here's the thing with these storms. When you get a double tap from these storms, you either get really intense storms in the morning that kind of sucks out the possibility for severe weather later on, or you actually see a little bit of some dry conditions in the morning that intensifies the potential for stronger storms in the afternoon. So we're keeping an eye on what happens in the morning, but once those storms clear out, things will largely calm down. We're not tracking a ton of rainfall with this. Overall, wherever those storms are, of course, we'll likely see some downpours, but they're moving quickly, which kind of aids in flooding potential. It's not going to be great. Now, severe threat is something we're keeping a close eye on as well. We're in a marginal risk from the Storm Prediction Center, but that means isolated, strong to maybe even severe storms are possible. Our main threat with this system going to be some gusty winds as that line pushes through, but we also could see some hail formations. Keep that in mind. We are tracking the potential, and like I said, if the morning round of storms isn't intense, then the evening round likely going to be a little bit stronger, and vice versa. If the morning is a little bit more intense and widespread, then it's going to suck a lot of the available instability out of the atmosphere for the afternoon. So you'll have to stick with us and download the ABC 17 Storm Track weather app.